So everyone's heard this story before. You get a small crack in your phone and suddenly it spiderwebs into this massive thing across your screen. We've probably heard the same story about someone's windshield. One small chip spiderwebs into this massive crack. You can actually see here where the stone chip starts and how with just a little bit of force, it spiderwebs across the entire windshield. Now, depending on your insurance, it's actually free to get stone chips replaced, and it only takes about 30 minutes to do. Now, if you want to get your whole windshield replaced, that's a different story. You got to pay your deductible, and it takes about half a day to a day to get fixed. Now, if you don't know or forget how much your deductible is on your vehicle, you can actually find it right here on your registration. So not only is a cracked windshield annoying and ugly, it can actually compromise the safety of your car as well. Let's think of it like a ping pong ball. When you just buy a new one and the structure's intact with no cracks in it, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. But you put the one tiniest crack in it and, well, it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It's kind of useless. The difference between a ping pong ball and a windshield, though, is that a ping pong ball, if it's cracked, you just go buy a new one for $1. Broken windshield, however, it could be the last line of defense if you hit an animal or, God forbid, you get in an accident. Now, I know firsthand that dealing with MPI, it can be intimidating sometimes. Well, with glass repair, you actually don't even have to call MPI. You can just call us directly at this number right here. Now, when you give us a call, make sure you have a couple things on hand to make everything as easy as possible. First, you're gonna need your document number on your license, which is right here. You're also going to need to pull out your registration and get your license plate and policy number, which you can find right there. You're also going to need the date and around what time that the damage on your glass occurred at.